Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth Ann. I literally just got home from work. I'm working on like the stabilization of this camera, not like the actual stabilization, but the fact that I do like this whenever I'm vlogging. Because A, I'm a little out of the game, but B, you know, just is what it is. You guys, I'm literally obsessed with this top. I'm like inserting a pic here. I bought it to go with my shorts. It is so cute if you're a high-waisted girly. Anyway, I just got some packages. Sorry, hi, it's Thursday, April 4th. I wasn't gonna start it yet, but I figured we could do a little unboxing together, and then I'm gonna get into next week because I have a busy little booked and busy moment. Nothing exciting. I have to go home for a dentist appointment, but I figured take you into a little hometown vlog. I'm hoping by the time I get home I can take this to the nail salon and get my nails done. Just a little hint as to what it is. I ordered some gels. Oops. Okay, sorry, I forgot I was low on like battery or whatever. My mom wanted a pink, like a hot pink she could take with her to give the people instead of having to choose a new color. Oh my god, this color. Wait, let me get close. I don't want to spill it. Look at that. I don't know if it's focusing. I don't think it is. That is a gorgeous pink. Oh my gosh, I can't wait for my mom to use it. And they like had a deal going on, so it made more sense for me to order more than one because the shipping was so expensive. And you got like a percentage off, but I think I found the freaking perfect yellow. Gosh, it is so pretty. It's like that perfect pastel yellow that I can never find. I don't know if you guys can see. So gorgeous. The pink is D&D Barbie pink. This is Dainty Daisies, and then I basically got the third one for free, and I just got White Bunny. I should have gotten like a crazy color because, oh wait, it's so pretty. Sorry, this filming probably is not the move. It's like purpley. Oh my gosh, interesting. Okay, well anyway, it is the Easter card from my aunt. Open it up. I don't want to put my address on the internet. I'm really excited to try these out. I have had hair loss and tried a bunch of different things, so I'm gonna be trying these. I'll let you guys know, but I think they said you can tell in like 3 months, so we will see. I'm very excited to try it though. It's just the Nutrafol. Hi, it is now Sunday. I haven't vlogged anything because I've just been working. But I want to show you guys, I do meal plans every week. Some weeks I do it more than others because, not the lighting. Not too sure if any of that helped. Some weeks I do meal plans more than others because I am allergic to zucchini and squash. And like some weeks they're heavier and it's like, oh, I want this, but it has like squash or zucchini in it. So anyway, this week was a big meal plan week, but I'll honestly probably freeze a few of them because I'm leaving Wednesday to go to Tipton. But I want to show you guys because I love them so much, and they have like a bunch of different locations. Here they are. I use Clean Eats. Obviously there's a lot of like meal plan things in different cities. I used to use one a long time ago in my hometown, but it's Clean Eats. I got this salmon, and it comes with just a cut of salmon, potatoes, and green beans. And then they had 2 of my favorite meals this week, so I got 2 of my breakfasts. It's just a chocolate chip waffle with, they're usually egg bites, but I guess they just did a folded egg. It's nice because it's like a good balance of sweet and eggs because I eat eggs all the time. And then Cuban Bowl is another one of my favorites they did. So I got 2 of the Cuban bowls. Typically I do extra protein, but those aren't available to pick up until Tuesday, and so it would have defeated the whole purpose of getting them. So I just did them without extra protein this week. Oh, I forgot, I also got these. I got these last week, and I think it's about like $5 maybe. They're little protein balls, but I like them because they're nice. I have a really bad sweet tooth and I can eat like one of these a night and feel like I've kind of had that craving, and it has protein in it, so it gives you extra protein. Isn't that many carbs anyway, so I love that. I usually get a pizza too, but I forwent that this week because I know I'll be like home until Friday, and then once I get back it'll be time to pick up another meal plan. So anyway, I went to Pilates this morning. I feel so good, so stretched. If you guys, did I mention this? I don't think so. I like sprained my ankle. I haven't done that in a really long time, but it's my ankle that I always have issues with. I've had issues and surgeries on. So it's really nice to get back into it. But I'm gonna finish up some homework. Good morning. Remember I wake up at like 5 a.m. no issue, but I struggle to get up at like 7 now. To be fair, I have been sick, but it's just been a thing for a while. It's Monday. I am going to take some medicine. As you can tell, I'm still a little under the weather. So I'm going to take an Allegro and then take my other medicine in a little baggie with me to school, because I don't think I'll eat enough before I leave, you know? It's 8:03, which means I actually have time to sit down and do my devotional, and also I have time to eat something super quick before I leave. Look how adult and prepared I am. You guys, somebody needs to do a pulse check on me, because this past week when I've been sick, I didn't want coffee. What? Who is she? I also need to take library books back after school today. And what else do I need to do? Okay, I got my bag of pills. We have Nutrafol, my metformin, cholesterol medicine, alopecia medicine. I'm trying to get some hair back on my head. I really have mostly everything together because all I have to do is put a shirt on. So I did a Pilates class yesterday with a physical therapist. Like, she's also a physical therapist, and she started telling us about it towards the end, and turns out like what she like specializes in or whatever is related to my injury. If you guys don't know, I did Pilates physical therapy my last semester of senior year, and sort of just like ran out of time, and then I moved to Europe. I just basically had to be finished with physical therapy. But anyway, the stretches like were a lot of stretches that would have helped me in physical therapy, and I'm sore today, but yesterday I felt so like stretched out. It was amazing. On today's episode of my dad and I being the same person, I have like all of these that I took out to share with him, and he had all of these that he gave me at Easter, or maybe my mom gave them to me, I don't remember. But I love this one. It says, "We must not allow other people's limited perceptions to define us." That's a good one. There's a lot of good ones. I'm not gonna read all of them, but anyway. Okay. My recent morning routine has been just sitting here. How much time do I have? I have like 20 minutes. And doing a 12-step devotion, reading a little bit, And then I've started back up a gratitude journal. This is actually a really nice drawing sketch notebook, but I'm just using, I don't take up that much space. So anyway, I've done my reading. I'm just gonna write down some things I'm grateful for, and then that's basically it. I just finished, but it is such a pretty day today. I really enjoy on lunch breaks either going home or being able to like sit outside to not be in technology. I do have my AirPod in because I was listening to a sermon that I didn't watch yet from Sunday. But anyway, I'll link it down below if you want to listen. It's pretty good so far. But anyway, headed back to school. And I'll be there probably until like 3-ish. I'll go home and then go to Pilates. So, hi, it's now post-solar eclipse. What was that? That was chaotic. Oh, I'm so tired. I have a really bad headache. My neck hurts, but I just got some packages. I got some shoes in from Nordstrom. So excited. I've never tried the Dr. Scholl's brand, but I needed new work shoes that I could throw on with my dresses and stuff. And these were on sale. So. Oh, they're cute. Okay, not too shabby for some Dr. Scholl's shoes. I really want the Adidas ones, but they didn't have the ones I wanted in stock. And I figured this was good for now. Oops. Okay, let me show you what else I got before my arm falls off. 2 Amazon packages. This is, I think, screen protectors. Yep. I have these somewhere. I can't find them anywhere. But I needed a new one. I got, how many right here? Yeah, 12 count of the cake batter premier proteins. I'm gonna put a few in the fridge and the rest I'll just leave out. But let's try on these shoes really quick. Oh my gosh, they literally fit like a glove. Like, they fit so nice. Oh, I love them. I know you can't really tell any, but oh my gosh, okay, I think I'm just gonna lay down for a little bit until I'm gonna take some medicine and then lay it down until I Pilates in about an hour. I need to get up and head that way. So, okay, it's now 6:48 and I just did a Starbucks pickup order. So let's go. I'm vlogging on my old camera, so I hope this works. We're going to chicken salad check. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Bag secured. Where's she secured? She's secured right there. Gotta go get some Red Owl or the ATM. We are now at Miss Red Owl. Oh wait, perfect. I got the shot.